Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
We're excited to learn with you.
It's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's start now.
Good morning, Eli. Wake up.
Good morning, Vanessa.
Are you okay? You look tired.
My stomach hurts.
Maybe you are just hungry. Come, let's eat breakfast.
Okay.
Good morning, kids.
Good morning, Mom.
Eli, why are you so quiet today?
My stomach hurts, Mom.
Oh, maybe it's nothing. Eat slowly.
Good morning, everyone. Eli, you look pale. Are you all right?
My stomach hurts a little.
After breakfast, we will check you.
Eli, eat a little more.
I can't. It hurts more now.
What? It's getting worse?
It hurts here.
This is not normal. We should go to the hospital.
I'm coming too. Yes, Vanessa, come with us.
Vanessa, I'm scared. Don't worry, Eli. I am here.
Hello, what happened?
Doctor, my son has strong stomach pain.
Eli, does it hurt bad? Hang in there, sweetie. The doctor will help. Eli, where does it hurt?
Here.
On the right side. It's going to be okay, sweetie. All right, let's take a look. Is he going to be okay? Don't worry. Let us examine him first. Eli, please lie down here.
I will stay here.
You are a good sister.
I love my brother so much, and I don't want to leave him alone here.
Sure, you can stay here. We have the report.
Doctor, what is it?
Eli has appendicitis. We need to prepare for surgery.
Is he going to be okay?
Yes, but we need to act quickly.
Doctor, is it serious? It is common. Don't worry.
We will take care of him. Please save my son. We will. It is common. Don't worry. We will take care of him.
But he is in pain.
We will try our best to save your son.
Please do something. I can't see him in pain.
Don't you worry. We are doing what we can. Take care. Don't worry.
Vanessa, don't leave me. I will never leave you.
I promise.
It's time for surgery.
Vanessa, I'm right here.
Eli, it's going to be okay.
I'm scared, Vanessa.
We're almost there, Eli. Don't worry, Eli will be fine.
He'll be okay, son.
God, please protect my child.
He will be fine. Stay strong.
I will wait here. I won't go anywhere.
The surgery is done.
Doctor, is he okay?
Yes, he is safe now. Thank you so much.
Can I see him?
Yes, but he is still sleeping.
Eli, I'm here.
Vanessa.
Yes, it's me. You didn't leave me. I told you I'll leave you. It still hurts a little.
I will stay with you all the time. Really? Yes. I will help you, talk to you, and make you smile.
Vanessa,
Yes?
you are the best sister.
And you are my strongest little brother. Vanessa, tell me a story.
Once there was a brave boy. Is that me?
Yes.
He had a strong heart and a loving sister who never left him.
I like this story.
Look at them.
This is true love between siblings.
Vanessa,
Hmm?
when I go home, we will play again.
Right?
Yes, we will play, laugh, and be happy again. I can't wait to. No matter what happens, you will stay with me always. I want to go home.
Don't worry, we will soon.
Family is not just about living together. It is about never leaving each other in hard times. It is about sharing laughter in happy moments and holding hands through the storms. Family is the comfort of knowing someone believes in you, even when the world doubts you. It is the silent support that speaks louder than words, the bond that time cannot break. Family is love without conditions, patience without limits, and togetherness beyond distance.